Why are car insurance premiums skyrocketing recently? That's the question on many minds today. It seems everywhere you turn, you are bombarded with this pressing concern. Everyday conversations, news channels, social media platforms are all abuzz with this topic. But why? What is causing such a drastic surge in premiums? Reports from reputable sources such as Forbes and Business Insider have shed some light on this issue. They have delved into the intricacies of car insurance premiums and their alarming escalation. These outlets have been at the forefront of providing us with detailed analyses, presenting facts, figures, and expert opinions. Take Forbes, for instance. In a July 2021 article, they highlighted a startling fact. A fact that could potentially explain why there's been such an unpredicted upsurge in car insurance premiums. The article emphasized the link between an individual's driving behavior and corresponding impact on their car insurance rates. It pointed out that receiving a moving violation while driving can lead to significant increases in car insurance premiums. This revelation came as a shock to many. Imagine a single traffic ticket, a seemingly inconsequential act, triggering such an enormous rise in premiums. Some citations have raised rates by up to a staggering 73%. It's almost as though you are penalized financially for every minor mistake you commit on the road. But it's not just the nature of the violation that matters. Other factors play a crucial role too. The severity of the violation is one such factor. A minor speeding infraction does not hold the same weight as a DUI violation. Then there's the state in which the violation is issued. Different states have different regulations and penalty structures, which inevitably affect the insurance rates. Last but not least, your driving record also matters. Having a clean driving history can somewhat mitigate the impact of the violation. However, if you've been previously convicted of traffic violations, the rate hike can be considerably more. This is the current reality of car insurance premiums. The severity of the violation, the state in which it's issued, and the driver's record all influence the extent of the rate hike. Now let's turn our attention to a more recent incident that caught the internet's attention. We're going to dive into a story that has been causing quite a stir online with people from various walks of life. It involves a TikTok user, and this is not just about viral dance videos or lip syncing. This is about a pressing matter most drivers face today: car insurance. Our protagonist in this story is a TikTok user named Ariel. Ariel, like many of us, was searching for ways to reduce her car insurance costs and found Geico's Drive Easy Safe Driving program. The program, designed to aid drivers and promote safety, monitors driving behaviors using telematics technology and adjusts insurance rates accordingly. The concept is straightforward. The safer you drive, the lower your insurance premiums. However, Ariel's experience with the program was far from pleasant. She found herself in a predicament that many drivers may find relatable. After joining the Drive Easy program, Ariel saw her car insurance bill skyrocket, an outcome that left her frustrated and confused. She quickly made the connection, and this hike in her insurance costs to the Drive Easy program's monitoring system. But here's the twist. She claimed that the program was penalizing her even when she wasn't always the driver. This incident highlights a significant, often overlooked issue with such telematics-based programs. As we're living in a time where many insurance providers are turning to advanced technology to monitor driving behaviors, it's essential to scrutinize the impact of these systems on drivers. The technology, while innovative, raises questions about its effectiveness, fairness, and accuracy. On the one hand, there's no denying that monitoring driving behaviors could lead to safer roads, but on the other, there are considerable concerns about privacy and fairness. How does the system distinguish between different drivers using the same car? Can it accurately monitor and differentiate driving habits? Does it account for external factors like road conditions, traffic, or other drivers' behavior? These questions lead us to the crux of the matter: the issue of penalization. Are these systems penalizing drivers unfairly based on inaccurate or incomplete data? Are they assumptions without considering all variables? This is not just about Ariel, it's about all drivers who could potentially find themselves in a similar situation. It's a moment of reflection for the insurance industry and technology providers alike. As we embrace tech-driven solutions, it becomes crucial to consider their fairness and accuracy. It's an opportunity to find a balance between benefiting from technology and ensuring that it doesn't disadvantage certain users. This brings back to the question that Ariel's story raises. Is there a way to verify who's behind the wheel at any given moment? The reality is, we may not have a foolproof solution yet, but it's a question that needs attention and action. It's a call for better, fairer, and more transparent systems. Additionally, Business Insider recently discussed the best cancel for any reason, or CFAR travel insurance plans. This detail, although not directly connected to car insurance, provides a snapshot into the evolving dynamics of the insurance sector. It shows us that the desire for flexibility, customization, and control in insurance policies is not limited to one specific category of insurance, but is a universal trend that's gaining momentum across the board. Customers are becoming increasingly aware of their rights and the choices available to them. They are demanding more transparency, flexibility, and control over their insurance policies. This is especially true in the case of car insurance. The reason behind this is simple. People want a better understanding of signing up for and how their premiums are calculated. They want to know whether they're getting their money's worth or if they are being overcharged. In many ways, this is a direct response to the recent hikes in car insurance premiums. These increases have been substantial, and they've made a significant impact on the wallets of car owners. There are several factors that have contributed to these hikes. One of the major contributors is moving violations. Simply put, if you have a record of driving recklessly or irresponsibly, you're likely to face higher premiums. The severity of the violation, the location where it took place, and your overall driving record are all taken into account. But it's not just moving violations that are causing premiums to rise. Technology-driven programs like Drive Easy are also playing a big part. These programs are designed to monitor driving habits and assess risk based on that data. The idea to encourage safer driving and provide rewards or penalties based on the driver's behavior. However, these programs are not without their controversies. Questions have been raised about their fairness, accuracy, and the privacy implications of having your driving monitored in such a detailed manner. Moreover, the insurance industry is going through a period of dramatic change. Traditional insurance models being challenged and new, more customer-centric approaches are emerging. The increased demand for more control and flexibility in insurance policies is a clear sign of this shift. People don't just want insurance, they want tailored solutions that address their unique needs and circumstances. They want to feel that they're in control, that they're not just passive recipients of decisions made by someone else. In the midst of all this change, it's important for consumers to stay informed and proactive. It's essential to question the fairness and transparency of insurance companies, and to understand how these changes are affecting the cost and coverage of car insurance. This is not only about finding the best deals or saving money, it's also about ensuring that your rights and interests are protected, that you're getting the service and coverage that you deserve. In light of these facts, it's evident that the landscape car insurance is evolving. As consumers, we must stay vigilant and educated. We need to question the fairness and transparency of insurance providers. After all, gaining a thorough understanding of these changes is the first step towards finding effective solutions.